In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Chapaa app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now to get started, go to your Android smartphone and look for Play Store. If you tap on Play Store here, you will be taken to this blank interface where you can search for your app. Using the search bar here or using the search icon here, go ahead and search for the app by its name. And then tap on it and you can see we have Chapaa here. To make sure it is the right app, make sure it is from Chapaa. And at the time of recording this, it has a star rating of 4.3 from over 13,000 reviews. And currently it has over 1 million downloads and the file size is averagely 6.7 MBs. To get it, go ahead and tap on install. And this will go ahead and download the latest version of Chapaa app and install it on your Android smartphone. Now from here, you can open it directly here. Or now if you go to your home page and go to your apps, you should see your Chapaa app here. Go ahead and tap on it to open. Scroll down, agree to the terms and conditions, allow SMS access, and then your app will be launched. And here is the interface for this app. So that's how you can download the right version of Chapaa app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.